Ever feel like every day is just the same? Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. It's like being stuck in an endless loop. Boredom isn't just having nothing to do, it's when nothing feels exciting anymore. But what if you could break free? Here's the truth. Boredom is a sign. A sign that it's time for change. The good news? You can make every day interesting. Small shifts in your routine can turn dull moments into exciting ones. Step 1. Be curious. Try new things, ask questions, explore the unknown. The secret to excitement? Discovery. Step 2. Challenge yourself. Step outside your comfort zone. Take a different route, meet new people, or start a new project. And we've made it easy for you. Our guide Escape Boredom. Make life exciting gives you practical steps to bring energy back into your life. How to make each day feel fresh and new. 1. The psychology behind boredom, and how to beat it. 2. Simple hacks to turn ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. 3. Challenges that help you stay engaged and motivated. Life's too short for boredom. Click the link below and start living fully, right now. The best part? You can start today. Don't wait, your exciting life is just one click away.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.